Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Peanut butter is staple at our home and we love to eat it every day in the morning with our breakfast. Me and my girlfriend Carolina, we're both ballet dancers and we love to take care of our body. So we try to eat all the healthy food and peanut butter is one of them. It contains a lot of protein and healthy fat. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a peanut butter. It is very easy to make, but you need a high power blender. For this I'm gonna partner with Homgeek. Spread evenly the peanuts in a parchment baking tray and roast them with 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes. Once in the oven, you must mix them around so they cook nice and evenly. Also make sure they are not burning. Once they get the light brown color, it means that they are ready. With Homgeek blender, it will take around 3 minutes to make a creamy and delicious peanut butter. The peanut butter I make is 100% peanuts. It is free oil, salt and sugar. I always blend them with the skin because the skin has a lot of health benefits. It contains a lot of antioxidants and fibers. Plus it tastes even better. This is how you make a peanut butter. It's very easy and very fast. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you'd like to know more recipes like this, just let us know by commenting below. We will answer to all of you guys. Thank you very much for following us and we'll see each other very soon.